Una mas signing up. Hellbox 11 plus box B5 plus PC Monster TCP Slave. Okay. First open BC Monster. Okay. Take note, you must first open BC Monster to for this to work perfectly. Okay. Second, open Hellbox, change first server to localhost. Third, open box B5, change server to localhost. Check read from empty packet. Login, join room. Okay. I've already logged in. I'm joining a room now. 26G CL. Let's see if it's work. Send. There it goes. There it goes. As you can see, connected. There goes stepper in the BC. Okay. And as you can see, I have voice. There it goes. If I press him speak, let's see if it do have a BC. Okay. Let's press speak. There it goes, 1 of 31. Okay, tutorial is good. Tutorial is working. Okay, actually guys, this is much harder when you are in a screen video recorder. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. XLXJ, that's me. And 1 of 32 in BC Monster. 1 of 32 in box B5. Okay, and in loops. There's my ID, XL clean client box. This client and Hellbox 11. 1 of 32. Guys, Hellbox 11 plus box B5 plus PC Monster TCP Slave. Okay? You must first open here PC Monster. Okay. If you want to click in the max, if you want to click in the scroll, if you want to click in the invert, that's okay. You're fine. Okay, it's a mix. Open PC Monster first, then open Hellbox. Change first server to localhost, open box B5, change server to localhost, and check the room for packet, and log in and join room. So, this is Sunomas signing out. Tutorial is good. Hellbox 11 plus B5 PC Monster TCP after tutorial. Okay guys, this is Sunomas signing out to YouTube. Sayonara guys.